Hey guys, what's going on? Steve here. Boss Lady Hennessy's has been telling me, Steve, you gotta make an unboxing video. People love it. And I know you guys do. We don't get a lot of comments usually on the unboxing videos, but so many of you guys tell me about it, person to person or via text message. You guys love the videos. Been crazy busy. We just got in like 20 some odd new Bulivas. We've had other stuff show up, but I just haven't been able to find the time. But this one, guys, this one is very special, and you're going to look at it with me, okay? I started to open it. I saw this package come in today to the shop, okay? And like, there's a name on here. Maybe I've heard the name before. Maybe, right? But I'm trying to like racking my mind. Like, what did I order that would be in a shape like this? And do I have any pending deals with anybody of this name? And I don't. I couldn't figure it out. So I cut it open. By the way, great knives. We'll talk about that in another show. Love this thing. Anyways, I opened it up, and this is what I saw inside. And I have not fully opened this up yet, guys. So I'm going to tilt this up. Hopefully you guys can see this. This is what I saw. See that, guys? Somebody took their time. Somebody took a lot of time. So I'm like, hold on, this is out of the ordinary. I need to read this. And what I saw blew my mind, guys. So I'm going to read it to you, guys. It's lengthy, so if you don't, for those of you guys who follow this channel for the educational stuff, you're going to hang around. You're going to want to watch this. This blew my mind. And in fact, give me just a second here. I'm just going to keep talking off the camera. I'm just grabbing a book. It's a very important book, actually. It's our Hamilton book, and it's this book right here written by our friend Bruce Shockey, who used to be a member of our local Rockford Watch Club. That's a funny story. We'll tell that another time. But that's relevant. That's relevant. You guys might remember I posted a Hamilton cross country last week. Just a crazy watch. Well, that pertains to this. This letter right here blows my mind, guys. November 20th, 2025. Steve, first, I'm a fan. I follow you on Whatnot, where I am known as Hammy Fan. And I follow you on Instagram too. I saw your recent post about the Hamilton Cross Country 2 and commented that it was in fact a bit rarer and is a cross country, not a 2. I claimed it was a 2. That's my bad. With the Illinois movement, which was really an ETA movement, which I didn't know that. It's a really unusual shape too, guys. It's crazy. We'll probably post a follow-up video talking about that movement. Hamilton wasn't, this is back onto his letter. Hamilton wasn't very good about documenting everything. A non-significant number of models were never displayed in catalog, for example. When the company was sold in 1974 to the Société Suisse pour Industrielle Horology, SSIH, which, and I probably butchered that, which was a holding company of Omega and Tissot, all SSIH appeared to be interested in was the machinery and brand. All the business documents, a bunch of prototypes, you got to wonder where those are, right? You should find some. Unused parts and basically anything not bolted down was taken home by employees, which scattered valuable information to the winds. Rene Rondeau attempted to catalog things in the 1980s. Rene did good work too, and was able to interview several former Hamilton employees. Bruce Shockey, my friend Bruce, hope you see this, Bruce, built upon Rene's work. I guess you could say mine is the next evolution. And by this point, I'm reading this letter for the first time. I'm like, holy crap, this is crazy. I've been doing my own research for years and years, and I believe that. And I've combed the NAWCC archives, all of which culminated in the book I sent you. That's crazy. And the website, HamiltonFieldGuide.com. So for you Hamilton junkies, HamiltonFieldGuide.com. It is the most comprehensive single source of Hamilton information to date on non-electric men's wristwatches. Rene Rondeau, he's the guy for the electrics, guys. It has more models, more information, more pictures, corrected errors, and more data. I was very humbly supported by many in this community that included Rene, who also wrote the foreword to this book. At any rate, I wanted to send you a copy since you often deal in vintage Hamiltons. I hope the shared passion of vintage watches brings you as much joy as it does me and this book can be a resource for you. Cheers, Andrew Krug. That's mind-blowing that somebody took the time and the effort to not only put together this amazing book, which I'm sure is going to be amazing, because boy, this is thick, but to send it to me. So thank you, Andrew. Thank you. I hope we meet someday. Not knocking this book. This book's been our baby. This has been our Hamilton Bible, our guide, our reference, our go-to, our right-hand man for years, okay? But we're going to open this together. I have never seen this book before, so let me grab that knife. Let's cut it open. I'm so excited. Like any of you watch guys out there, I think you probably know how hard it is to find good watch information. I already love the back of this book. I've not even seen this book yet. I'm going to toss that box on the ground. I've not even seen this yet. Let's look at this together. I love the specification. Men's non-electric wristwatches, 1917 to 1969 edition, number 1.0, Hamilton Field Guide. Andrew Krug, www.hamiltonfieldguide.com. Guys, I know for sure I'm going to take a look at this. I am so excited. I don't know if it's going to be tonight, but it will be this week. Andrew, thank you, man. This is so amazing. You guys are all the best. Thank you guys so much. And Andrew, I very much look forward to this beautiful piece of work right here, man. Thank you so much.